Hi, welcome back to your daily language workout. In this video, you will say 100 English sentences you need every day. These sentences are perfect for beginners. I say one sentence and you repeat. I say each sentence twice. Turn on the subtitles to understand everything better. Are you ready? Hi, my name is Mike. Hi, my name is Mike. I am originally from Spain. I am originally from Spain. I live now in the United States. I live now in the United States. I learn English every day. I learn English every day. I like listening to music. I like listening to music. I work from Monday to Friday. I work from Monday to Friday. I understand English. I understand English. My family lives in Barcelona. My family lives in Barcelona. My family lives downtown. My family lives downtown. I grew up in Barcelona. I grew up in Barcelona. I have a brother and a sister. I have a brother and a sister. My brother is younger and my sister is older. My brother is younger and my sister is older. My brother is 40 years old. My brother is 40 years old. My brother works in marketing. My brother works in marketing. My father is a farmer. My father is a farmer. My father works every day. My father works every day. My parents are separated. My parents are separated. My mother works at a grocery store. My mother works at a grocery store. My mother is happy. My mother is happy. Sadly, my grandma is dead. Sadly, my grandma is dead. My grandpa goes to the market every day. My grandpa goes to the market every day. I have lived in the United States for 5 years. I have lived in the United States for 5 years. I have many goals in life. I have many goals in life. I enjoy traveling. I enjoy traveling. Next year, I want to travel the world. Next year, I want to travel the world. I want to travel to Peru, Japan, and Australia. I want to travel to Peru, Japan, and Australia. I save money every day. I save money every day. I like playing guitar. I like playing guitar. On the weekend, I meet friends. On the weekend, I meet friends. I live in a small apartment. I live in a small apartment. My girlfriend lives in a big apartment. My girlfriend lives in a big apartment. My apartment is cheap. My apartment is cheap. We are a happy couple. We are a happy couple. We have been married for 2 years. We have been married for 2 years. My wife is pregnant. My wife is pregnant. I will be a dad. I will be a dad. I have many friends in New York. I have many friends in New York. I like watching horror movies. I like watching horror movies. I don't like board games. I don't like board games. Every Wednesday I play basketball. Every Wednesday I play basketball. Every Sunday I go to church. Every Sunday I go to church. I go skiing once a year. I go skiing once a year. I water my plants every day. I water my plants every day. I have many friends in New York. I enjoy spending time with my friends. I enjoy spending time with my friends. Sometimes I go partying. Sometimes I go partying. But I like being at home best. But I like being at home best. My job is sometimes stressful. My job is sometimes stressful. Sometimes I am tired. Sometimes I am tired. But I enjoy my work. But I enjoy my work. I like working with people. I like working with people. My students are smart. My students are smart. I get up every day at 6. I get up every day at 6. I eat breakfast every morning. I eat breakfast every morning. In the morning, I eat bread and drink coffee. In the morning, I eat bread and drink coffee. My body is healthy. My body is healthy. I don't smoke cigarettes. I don't smoke cigarettes. I don't drink much alcohol. I don't drink much alcohol. I eat a lot of fruit and vegetables. I eat a lot of fruit and vegetables. I write 5 English sentences every day. I write 5 English sentences every day. Then I feel more awake. Then I feel more awake. In the evening, I go to sleep. In the evening, I go to sleep. My bed is cozy. My bed is cozy. I love sleeping. I love sleeping. At night, I have many dreams. At night, I have many dreams. Today, it is cold. Today, it is cold. Today, the sky is gray. Today, the sky is gray. The weather is changing today. The weather is changing today. I open the window. I open the window. Yesterday the sun was shining. Yesterday the sun was shining. Tomorrow it will rain. Tomorrow it will rain. I am hungry. I am hungry. I look at my phone. I look at my phone. I think about my family. I think about my family. I miss my family. I miss my family. I hear music in the background. I hear music in the background. The music makes me calm.
The music makes me calm.
Sometimes I am thoughtful. Sometimes I am thoughtful. Sometimes I am very motivated. Sometimes I am very motivated. I am in a good mood today. I am in a good mood today. Yesterday I was sad. Yesterday I was sad. I had a happy childhood. I had a happy childhood. I love riding my bike. I love riding my bike. I like going downtown to shop. I like going downtown to shop. I don't like it when the city is crowded. I don't like it when the city is crowded. I speak English every day in the city. I speak English every day in the city. I attend a language class. I attend a language class. I like drinking tea in the morning. I like drinking tea in the morning. I often take the subway. I often take the subway. Sometimes I am late. Sometimes I am late. I wait at the stop. I wait at the bus stop. I like buying fresh bread. I like buying fresh bread. I call a friend. I call a friend. I write a short message. I write a short message. I don't understand everything right away. I don't understand everything right away. I ask again. I ask again. I take notes. I take notes. I plan my next day. I plan my next day. Great job, and thank you for speaking until the end. Today, you practiced many important English sentences and spoke actively. This way you will feel safer each day. If this video helped you, I'm happy about a like. Please write a comment and tell me which sentences were easy or hard for you. Subscribe to the channel so we can keep practicing English together. See you in the next video, and stay tuned.